Is it time to move on? Are you a homeowner on the fence about selling your home? Hi, I'm Ace Nguyen from Ace Estate with Keller Williams Realty. If you're thinking about selling in today's market, is it worth considering all the reasons why making the move could make sense to you? According to Real Trends, and I quote, the most common seller will be homeowner downsizing, people move to get more spaces, and family looking for better school for their children. In a recent survey by Realtor.com, here are 4 top reasons homeowners were considering listing their home. Take advantage of the current market to make a profit. 23% of homeowners want to take advantage of the lower inventory market. Even though home prices have declined slightly in some markets, they are still higher overall over a few years ago. This is mainly due to lower inventory we are experiencing. Homes no longer meet our need. 23% state that they have outgrown their current home. The average person has been in their home for 10 years. For some, that is a long time, and a lot of changes impact what you need in a home. Move closer to family. 27% of home ownership want to live closer to friends and family, and 25% want to downsize to a smaller home and has less maintenance work. The bottom line, you have a lot to consider when deciding if it's time to move on. Contact my team and I so we can help map out the perfect plan for you to find the perfect place to call home. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.